What's the meaning of Alice in Wonderland? Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland.
Alice in Wonderland is a novel written by Lewis Carroll in 1865. The story follows the adventures of a young girl named Alice who falls down a rabbit hole and enters a fantastical world populated by peculiar and anthropomorphic creatures. The novel is known for its nonsensical and whimsical tone, as well as its satirical commentary on Victorian society and culture. The title has become synonymous with surreal or absurd situations, and the phrase, "down the rabbit hole," has come to represent entering into a strange or unfamiliar situation.